Hey guys, so welcome back. So we made it to Florida. It was a long drive, but I am so glad we made it. Thank God, and I cannot wait to share the house with you all and just start these decorating videos. Today's going to be the empty house tour. And in case you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Keisha J. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome. We just moved to Florida from Virginia, so just so you know. But yeah, with all of that being said, let's go inside and see the new house. Now to show you guys, it's so pretty. When you first enter, this is what you see. Well, this is the entryway or foyer, whatever you want to call it. Really nice. And then this is what you see when you first enter. So it's nice and open. You have your dining room here. Beautiful chandelier, but I do have my crystal chandelier that I want to hang. So I will more than likely switch that out. Then you have the kitchen, but before we go in there, we're just gonna go to this room here. This is gonna be my home office. So when you enter, I'm gonna make this as my home office. So it's a pretty good size. I love the windows. I love that. That's so nice. And yeah, I feel like all of the furniture that I had in the living room can fit in here because the living room we never really used, so I had my office space in there anyways. So there was a sofa and two side chairs and my desk. My desk is, small, so it's not going to take up a lot of space. But yeah, I think all of this stuff is going to fit in here. So yeah, that's really good because we don't have two living spaces in this house, just one. And then you have a closet. I plan to use this for storage, like all of my extra home decor, maybe the Christmas decor too, because my husband says the garage is his man cave and not the storage area like I did with the in our house. Like, the garage was supposed to be the gym and I filled it with a bunch of stuff. But yeah, this closet space is, pretty good walk-in closet. So I think I'll have enough space for like all of my extra stuff and seasonal decor. And then you have the coat closet. I can also put stuff in here for storage as well. And then let's see. So let's go into the kitchen. Now the owners did leave these chairs. I mean, they're nice. It's not my style. I was thinking of something else for my chairs here, but I will keep them for now. I'm not gonna get rid of them because there was nothing in the lease. Oh, by the way, we are renting this house. We don't own it. But yeah, we moved here. We decided we're gonna rent just so we can get a feel of the area. We didn't want to just move here and buy a house not knowing the areas, not knowing the schools and stuff like that. So I am in my desired school zone. Now we just gotta get a feel of the area, the neighborhood and stuff like that before we decide to buy. But anyways, back to the chairs. They belong to the owners. They didn't say anything in the lease about us having the chairs, but I'm just gonna assume the chairs stay with the house. I mean, that's fine because like I said, these are not my style anyways, but they're not bad, they're nice chairs. I just have something else in mind, something more luxurious. But yeah, this kitchen is so pretty, so pretty. Like, I really want to do a kitchen makeover if we move back to Virginia because we are renting our house out. But if we move back, I want to do a kitchen makeover and I want my cabinets to look like this shade of gray is so pretty. I love the counters too, really nice. I wouldn't mind this kitchen in my home, but yeah, I don't think I want to do white cabinets again. But I love this. You have so much counter space. The kitchen is a really nice size, so I'm really loving that. And then you have the island, and you can fit like some, you know, stools underneath, which I don't think will do, because if we have seating here, we might not need extra seating there. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll see what I decide to do, because I could put like some backless stools underneath, maybe 2. But yeah, I don't think it'll be necessary. But let's go over here. Sorry if the lighting looks off in this video. I'm gonna try to fix it, but I am using auto on my camera, so it's adjusting all of my settings for me. If the video looks grainy at all, sorry about that, but when I control my settings, it just takes a long time to record videos, especially when I'm walking around the house and the lighting is different in every room. It would take forever, so I decided to try auto. I've never used auto on this camera, so I'm really hoping it's not making my video look like I'm recording with an iPhone right now. But yeah, so this is the kitchen. They have like a small pantry here, and then over here is the laundry room. You have this like closet. I've never seen a closet like this before, but it's just like a storage area, you know, because the door doesn't go all the way down. But I think like the water heater, I believe this is the water heater or AC unit. I'm not really sure. No, maybe this is an AC unit, yeah. But it's back here. I've noticed that with Florida homes, they put it like behind a door, which is great because it's, you know, out of sight, out of mind. But this is the laundry room, and it has some storage, so that's really nice. And then it'll have more space on the side for you know, more storage as well. I do have some like shelving units that I could use in here if I needed extra storage, but I do like the space. Like it's enough space for me. Okay, let's talk about these floors for a second. They are beautiful. I love them. It's different. When I first came in here, I was like, okay, that's different, but it's not oak or espresso or anything like that. So I'm loving it. Then you have black with shades of gray, and like you can throw in some like tan and stuff like that if you're decorating with that color. But these floors are so pretty. I love them. They look so unique and different. So this is, you know, a bedroom. It is bigger than the bedrooms at our house in Virginia. So, you know, that's good because the kids will have more space. There's a walk-in closet in here. So that is great. Definitely more space in these rooms as far as like closet and just the size of, you know, the rooms that would be for the kids. So I love these doors too. Really nice. I mean, the style is more like giving me farmhouse vibes in a way, but that's okay because when I decorate, the doors aren't going to be what you're looking at when you come in this house. But okay, so this is the main bathroom. So, you know, guests will be using this bathroom as well. We don't have a powder room in this house, but that's okay, you know, that's okay. This is a 1 level, so that's fine. Really nice light fixture, and it just has a lot of space in here. So, and then behind the door is the linen closet. All right, and this is going to be the living room space, the main living space. Like I said, we don't have 2 living spaces in this house like in our home in Virginia. So we're just gonna like set up everything the way I have my family room decorated. You know, that stuff is gonna pretty much be in here. So those blue sofas, my really nice credenza, the TV is gonna be on this wall. I really don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it because of the shape, like with this this counter here being on a slant right here. I don't really know how I'm gonna arrange the furniture. I really want to get a sectional for this kind of space, but there's nothing wrong with our sofas, so no need to replace them. I can see if they were like old and worn, then yeah, get new sofas, but we just got those like what, maybe a year ago. I feel like it's only been a year, so I'm just gonna have to make it work. I'm gonna have to really tap into my creative side to make that furniture look right in the space. So yeah, and then over here is another bedroom, you know, for one of the kids. Pretty good space for them. And this one doesn't have the walk-in closet, but it does have the double door closet. So a lot of space, more than enough for them. Okay, so this is the master. I was a little disappointed, not even gonna lie, because of the space. I felt like a king-size bed wouldn't even fit in here, but I think it's gonna be fine. I'm just so used to a bigger space. We won't be able to fit like accent chairs and stuff in here anymore. On this wall, you have this, the door that leads to the screened-in patio. I'll show you guys that in a second. And then you have two double closets. It sounds like the moving truck is here, so I need to speed this up. But yeah, let me show you the master bathroom. Beautiful. Love this. Really nice. And then you have this beautiful shower and a tub. Love the floors in here as well. And then over here you just have a toilet, nothing special. And the side of the master is the walk-in closet. I mean, it's a good enough space. I mean, it's good enough for me. I can work with this. You know, I have a lot of clothes, but yeah, it's good enough. So I have this closet, and I'll have one of the closets in the bedroom. So I think that'll be, you know, just fine. I'll have one of these closets as well. More than likely this one, because it's closer to the bathroom and I don't have to walk all the way over here. Now, my favorite part of the house, guys, is this screened-in patio. I love that you have doors for the screened-in patio from the bedroom, and you have the doors in the main living area to get out there, but I really love that they have doors in the master bedroom. So this is the screened-in patio, guys, and I am so excited about this space. I cannot wait to just like come out here and decorate, or you know, just to be in the space. In the mornings when I get up, I can come out here and have a cup of tea, or like if we want to do dinner outside, we can have dinner out here without worrying about, you know, mosquitoes and stuff like that. Now, if you watched my house hunting video, you guys know I'm not a fan of the woods being in my backyard. I'm from Chicago. I'm a city girl. We don't see stuff like this, and I watch a lot of scary movies, so you know, I just have a bunch of crazy stuff running through my mind. My husband loves it. It reminds him of Jamaica, and I guess like his home back there. You could see the woods like everywhere because he lived on the countryside. But I mean, I'm just not used to it. When you have your kids out here and the woods are like right there, you tend to worry about their safety. I'm just gonna have to keep an eye on my kids because, you know, I don't play that. But it is a nice space. The yard is a pretty good size. This is the house, guys. Really nice. I love all of the finishes, the floors, and I love the paint color. I don't have to paint, so I'm so happy about that. And it'll blend well with my decor already. All right, guys, so that's it for this video, this empty house tour. It's not about to be empty though, because the moving truck is here. So we got in around midnight, and it is what, 8 in the morning now, and the moving truck is already here. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, like I said in the beginning, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.